Open your book to page 115, and this is lesson 3.12. This lesson is on operation with decimals and fractions, so you have problem that mix the two together. So let's go to example 1. You have 3.2 plus 3 over 4. So you can do it either way. You can convert everything into decimal, or you can convert everything into fraction. Okay, so you can do it either way. So let's go and do it with the decimal. So this is equal to 3.2 plus, so 3 over 4, you go and divide, right? 3 divided by 4 would be 0 point, and you add a 0. So 4 times 7 give you 28 minus, so you get 2, drop the 0, 5, right? So this is equal to 0.75. And then you can go and add, so this is going to equal to 3.95, right? 3.2 plus 0.75. When you add, you get 59.3, right? So again, convert into decimal, or you can convert into fractions. So 3.2 plus 3 over 4. If you convert into fraction, this is equal to, that's one decimal place, right? So you can just go and make it into 32 over 10. And you can actually reduce a little bit to lower your number. So these are divisible by 2. So let's go and lower the number a little bit. So divide by 2, you get 5. Divide by 2, you get 16. So this is equal to 16 over 5 plus 3 over 4. So now you have to, in order to add fraction, you need to get common denominator. So your LCD equal to 20, right? So this will equal to 20, right? So again, step 1, get your LCD. Step 2, get the fraction ready. Then after that, you have to figure out how you're going to get from here to here. Well, you need to multiply by 4, right? And so this will give you 64. And this one will multiply by 5, so you get 15. And so this will give you 79 over 20. So that, again, this is one of the methods. Now there's another method. Instead of converting into improper fraction, you can use the mixed number, like in the book. Okay? So you can have so many different ways you can do this. So 3.2 plus 3 over 4. This is equal to 3 and 2/10, right? So make this into mixed number versus improper fraction. And so this is 3 over 4. Again, you can cancel these things out. It's 1 and 5. So this is equal to 3 and 1/5 plus 3 over 4. So now your LCD equal to 20. So this is equal to 3 and over 20 plus something over 20. Okay? So again, from here to here, you need to multiply by 4, so you get 4. From here to here, you need to multiply by 5, so you get 15. And so when you add, you get equal to 3 and 19 over 20. Okay? So you can use any one of the methods. So whichever that is easier for you. Okay? So if the problem does not ask you to do a certain way, you can feel free to pick and choose which one you want. Okay, let's go to example 2. It says find 2 and 1/12 times 0.08. So in this case, again, you have to convert everything into either fraction or everything into decimal. So I'm going to convert this into fraction. It's easier to do. So 2 and 1 over 12, when you convert, it becomes 25 over 12, right? 2 times 12 is 24, plus 1 is 25. And this one, this is 8 over 100, because there are 2 decimal places, so you're going to get 2 zeros. So from here, you're going to start to cancel things out. 25 and 100, both are divisible by 25. So divide by 25, you get 1. Divide by 25, you get 4. And 4 and 8, you can divide by 4. So divide by 4, you get 1. Divide by 4, you get 2. Now 2 and 12 can divide by 2. So divide, you get 1. Divide, you get 6. So answer is equal to 1 over 6. Okay, let's go to page 116, and let's do example 3. Example 3, you have 0.76 divided by 4 over 5. So this is equal to 0.76 divided by 4 over 5. Right? That's what this long line means. And I think this kind of problem, I think it's easier if you use fraction. So this is equal to 76 over 100. And division change into multiplication, and you flip it over. So now you can go and cancel things out. 5 and 100, you can divide by 5, so you get 1, you get 20. This one, both of this, you can divide by 4. So divide by 4, you get 1. Divide by 4, you get 1 and 9. Okay, so you get 19 over 20, and that's your answer. Okay, let's go to example 4. So page 116, example 4. It says find the cost of 9 1/4 feet of pipe selling for 98 cents a foot. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to multiply these two together. Again, you want to use either the decimal or you want to use fraction, but you need to convert to one or the other. Okay. So in this case, I'm going to use decimal. So 9 1/4 is equal to 9.25. So this is going to equal to 9.25 times by convert it into dollars, so it would be 0.98. Okay, so again, the 1/4, right? You use 1 divided by 4, so it's 0. Put decimal here, you add a 0, so it would be 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Minus, so you get 2, so drop to 0, 5. So that's how I get 2, 5, and the 9 just drops straight down. Okay, so now I'm going to just multiply these. And so I got 9.25 times 0.98. So 5 times 8 is 40, right? 0, carry 4, right? I can use your finger. So 2 times 8 is 16, plus 4 is 20, so write 0, carry 2. 8 times 9 is 72, plus 2 give you 74. And next one, 9 times 5 is 45, so write 5, carry 4. 2 times 9 is 18, so 18, and this will give you 20, so it will be 22, carry 2. 9 times 9 is 81, plus 2 give you 83. So you get 0, 5, 6, you add, you get 0, and this get 9. So decimal place is 1, 2, 3, 4, so go 1, 2, 3, 4, it's right over here. And when the answer involves money, you want to run it off to the nearest cent. So this will equal to $9, and this will go up, so make it $9.07. Okay, and so that would be your answer. You can run it off to the nearest cent.